Wow, so this is really nice. This is my first time holding a Rapt. I've been told by the community this is the best in the game. And this is a one of one. So these things can go up to like 4,000 bucks. I've seen them go really, really high. So this one I paid, I think cost around, I can't remember, maybe 750. First impressions, really, really nice. Feels solid. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the design. It's really cool. It reminds me of like a bowling 90s bowling alley carpet. So this was also modded. So the design is from a third party who customized wraps and made this into a one of one. Looks really, really good. I believe this also glows in the dark. Very satisfying. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now compare it to other sliders. The first slider I'd like to compare it to is the Compiform. So this is one of my first premium sliders. Again, I give you my honest feedback. I know there's going to be a lot of people that hate this, but I think Compiform is not overrated, but it's I'll just say that there's lots of good competition. The thing I don't like about it is it's really, really loud. It's probably my loudest fidget that I have. So every click makes the ear ring. So the design on this is really nice. Ivan, the creator of this, hand polished this, and this is one of the only designs that's hand polished with this design. So really appreciative of that. So this is the Compiform. Now, next thing I would like to compare it to is this Magnus. So this is, I believe, from New Zealand. Oops. Fairly similar build. Has a screw and the plates can be changed out. It's a lot lighter. This just feels more compact. Let's see what material it is. I think stainless steel. It's a little bit smaller compared to it, but so far, well, not that good with sliders. I don't really play with them, but so far this is better than these two. This is about 450. This is about 500, I think. Again, this is about 750. The top of the line sliders. Then you got this infinity slider. I like the crunchy feeling of this. Also, the design is really cool. So far, I would say that they're probably equal. I like it. Here's the most popular slider. It's not one of those freeform sliders, but this is from Mackie, probably one of the most popular ones. I want to bring out this one. It's another crunchy one, American made by my friend Anthony. It's called the Verk. These are all very, very expensive. This one's, I think, about 55 bucks. So I like this. Honestly, if I was to rate him, I'd put it like, I'll put him like this. Okay, and the last one I just want to show you is a part mechanical, part magnet. You can take them apart. It has some sliding tape, but it's also a really cool slider. All right, one last look of this Rapt. It's my first time handling one. I do like it. I really like the look. It is a little bit smaller than I thought. Sounds really nice. Feels really nice. Smells really nice. Alrighty. that's it for this video.